Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2024. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, rear spoiler, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, daytime running lights, fog lamps, integrated turn signal mirrors, remote trunk release,